Hi guys, back again. I know it's going to keep spinning because Vic's going to tap me off, so. Obsidian flames. It's called Quick and Short. You get the promo code on the phone, a decent card, that's it. Quick and easy. So, promo code, please be kind and share. One per person, one, only one. There you go. So skip all the behind the card. You can see me? You can see me now. You know. So we got Pidgey, corned beef, Varun, Rabbite, Moana, Green Pig. And there you go. That's them two today. These will be all my bulk. So please comment, share, a like to come get your bulk from Geek World UK. We're closed today, but we're back open to normal tomorrow 10 till 4. Thanks guys.